Hi and welcome to another episode of Jane of All Trades. We are in Illustrator CC 2020 and we're going to export a transparent PNG. You can use this for numerous things. So what a transparent PNG is for is it's an image that you can use where the background, the white, is transparent so that you can overlay onto other images or video images. So we're going to do that and we're going to go to my Jane of All Trades library because this is where I keep things, and we're just going to use the name Jane of All Trades. We're going to get that in there. What we're going to do is we're going to change the profile of that just to get it nice and neat. So there we go. So if I was to export that as it is now, sadly as a JPEG or anything like that, it would always have the white background. So the only way that that would ever really fit in or blend is if the background I was placing it onto was also white. So that's what we don't want. So we're going to go to File and we're going to go to Export, Export As, and we've already selected PNG. We're going to say use artboards because we want it to identify the size of the artboard that's around it. We don't want any extra. And then we go to export and we're given another little dialog box. Resolution for screen 72, medium 150 and high 330. So if you are exporting to go on a website, you may wish to choose 72 because it keeps the image small and it'll load faster. And if you're doing it because you want to do a watermark on a video, you might choose to keep it 300 ppi due to the export size of your video in the end so that you don't lose any of that integrity and it doesn't go blurry. So we're going to just make that, and here you've got your options, so you can choose. You can export it as a PNG solid white if that's your choice. You can also change it to black, which we wouldn't do because the text is black and we would just end up with a rectangle. Why would we do that? So we're going to choose transparent, and then we can see that in the background this grey white thatch is happening in the background. This is the universal language of transparent. They put that thatch in the background to indicate that there is no background. So then we just go OK, and that's you've exported a transparent PNG ready for placing anywhere you see fit. So feel free to like, feel free to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye!